Ever wonder what makes Amsterdam's architecture so uniquely captivating? At White Tulip Hostel, we're lucky to be right in the heart of it, especially when it comes to the incredible Amsterdam School movement, a bold, expressionist style that turned traditional brick buildings into works of art. Our Amsterdam School Architecture Tour 2024 is your perfect introduction to this fascinating style. Think dramatic shapes, intricate brickwork, and playful details that feel straight out of a dream. It's like walking through an open-air gallery where every corner tells a story of creativity and bold design. We love showing off how this style isn't just old history, it's alive and kicking in neighborhoods all over the city. From the famous Schip complex to hidden gems that even locals sometimes miss, this tour is designed to help you see the city through fresh eyes. Plus, we keep it fun and relaxed, so you can fully soak it all in without feeling rushed. Booking the tour is super easy and affordable, usually around €25, making it a must for any architecture lover or curious traveler looking to dive deeper into Amsterdam's cultural vibe. Ready to explore those quirky, colorful corners with us? Click the link in the description to grab your spot. Your next great adventure, full of art, history, and a little bit of magic, is just a click away. We can't wait to welcome you on the tour.